Good morning. My dad and I are here at the Buffalo Bill Center of the West in Cody, Wyoming. We're the first ones here. And today we're going to check out the Cody Firearms Museum. It's going to be Buffalo Bill right there. Cody Firearms Museum. Let's do it. The Cody Firearms Museum interprets over 800 years of history with more than 10,000 objects in 40,000 square feet. There you go. All right, here we go.
Are you ready? Stand by.
There you go. I should have got you a pretty good score.
It's fun. You gotta try it.
Are you ready?
First person shooter, let's go.
Are you ready?
Yeah, it's How many times you gonna do it?
Are you ready? Stand by.
That was my attempt at a happy face. You want some, punk? You want some over here? Feel lucky? Guns don't really work when you do this though, just so you guys know.
Feel lucky.
One. That could be in the Buffalo Bills trick shooter show.
There you go.
That should be a good one. And that gun right there was presented to Colonel Jeff Cooper, an outstanding American handgunner. Yeah, but is he as good as me? You guys saw what just happened back there. Demonstrate to us the isosceles stance here. Yeah, it tells you where to put your feet, and your arms, and your shoulders. Yeah, and then right here we've got the Weaver stance. More of a staggered, aggressive.
Yeah.
Don't mess with me. My dad's going back for more. He's going with the Weaver stance.
Are you ready? Stand by.
And they got more guns in this place than you can imagine. Look at all those. And now we're getting into the big guns. The 50 cals. It's like good luck hiding from one of those. I love the music they got going here too. And check out the Winchester Liberator shotgun right there. Dude, that thing is wicked. And then my dad said this is the grease gun. The German grease gun. Kind of looks like a grease gun. Yeah, look at all these up here. It's crazy. Here's another big one. Wow. Look at the scope on that. They've got another hands-on display right here. Big old 50 cal. This is pretty awesome. I mean, check out the size of these bullets right here. You even get nicked with one of those in your toast. Right there, the Gatling gun. The Liberator pistol. That was a gun made for clandestine operations. Basically, you wanted to smuggle that in, kill somebody that had a better gun, and then take their better gun. Yeah, that's a 45 too. Can you imagine the recoil on that? Boom. Look at these right here, or this, I should say. Twin clips. Wow, that's incredible. Could you imagine if you showed up at the gun range wanting to shoot that? Look at these, just all these things pull out right here. There's a bunch of drawers. Jeez Louise, my goodness. Wow. These are some from the American Revolution. Look at that little shorty. What are these? These are Mexican-American War, 1812. Even though one of those looks like the gun that Danny Glover got at the end of Predator 2, remember? The alien or the Predator threw it to him?
No.
Well, yeah, he did. And these are from something called the Interwar, which I've never even heard of before. That must have been like in between the other wars. Yeah, these little carbines right here. It's pretty sweet. Do you know what the Interwar is?
I never heard of it.
Yeah, me either. I think they just made it up. Just they have another drawer. Yeah, see that right there? Interwar. Interwar. I wonder where the outer war is. All right, here we are at the Gold Reef hardware store. Let's see what's in here. Oh, cool. More guns. So this is what it was like. Walk into the hardware store. Got all your different calibers here. Ooh, I wish they had prices on these. I would like to see what they were back in the day. Like 2 cents. You could literally spend all day in here and still like not even see everything. I mean, look at all these drawers right here. And then each one of these drawers has multiple guns. This is like the ultimate gun show. And look at this one, little Frank Wesson double barrel metallic cartridge pocket pistol. But there's like 3 holes in the end.
Get that black thing.
Yeah. Yeah, these little tiny pocket pistols. It's tiny. These are all tiny. Yeah, look at the size of my hand compared to these. He's doing a little forensic analysis here, trying to match the bullets. I've got my own mystery here to solve. Okay. Let's pull up the original bullet. Oh, we're not getting a reading here. Not getting a reading.
I think it's right here. One at the bottom, one in the middle, one on top. Same here.
Yep, I think you figured it out. And that is the Uzi right there. One of the most iconic submachine guns ever, made in Israel. And we're getting to the good stuff now, here on this back row. It's like all the more modern weapons. Yeah, we've got literally drawerfuls of Glocks here. That thing right there is savage looking. The Winchester Liberator Mark II shotgun. We've got another Uzi right there. God, there are just so many guns in this place. It's like even if you do lay your eyes on all of them somehow, you're not going to be able to take it all in. It's like your brain can't accept that much information coming in at one time. Yeah, it's just so much stuff. Check these out. It's like an early AK up there or something. This Freedom Arms mini revolver belt buckle is pretty cool. I'm not into those big old cowboy belt buckles, but I might wear that one. The Ingram MAC-10 A1 pistol. Man, I used to see those at gun shows sometimes. The Colt AR-15. Does the AR stand for assault rifle? Nope. We've got the German Luger, followed by probably the smallest gun in this whole place. That thing is the size of, yeah, like 2/3 of my finger or something. I mean, it's tiny. It shoots a 4mm caliber projectile. 4 millimeters. It's like you're just gonna piss somebody off with that. You're not gonna kill them. You're just gonna like make them mad. 4-barrel flintlock duck's foot belt pistol. It's cool. It's like, I got attacked by 4 guys. I had to shoot it. And this might be one of the most insane things in the whole place. That is from the year 1570 to 1590. And they made that. Austrian double cock wheel lock muzzle loading musket. Well, that's a mouthful. Try saying that 5 times real quick. All right, guys. We just got done taking a break. I had a wild orange kombucha. My dad had a root beer kombucha. And now we've come downstairs and oh my God. There are way more guns down here. Look at all of these little slide outs. I thought we did good getting through all the ones up above. It took us like 4 hours. We thought we did. Look at this. Just all of these. Just full of guns. This is not even all the way. Can't get a grip. There we go. Not even out yet. Not even out yet. Dude, look at this. Okay, not only do we have all these pullouts, but then we've got like 100 drawers. And these all have stuff. Just incredible. This is the library down here, A to Z. This is the precursor to the minigun. And this thing shot 6,000 bullets a minute back in the day. We're talking like the 1800s. Boy, that thing would light you up, baby. You're probably like, how did they crank 6,000 bullets a minute? Well, they didn't. They had this little belt feeder right here, and that's what did it. However, this is pretty much why this didn't make it, is because it was too hard to set up in the field. You're like, wow, dude, you know a lot about guns. Like, not really. That's what the guy just said. Oh my goodness, guys, right here. This is the gun from RoboCop. I mean, this thing is huge. This looks like the thing they had in RoboCop that was blowing stuff up. Dude blows up that car and he's like, I like it. Remember that? Classic movie. Yeah, I mean, I'd buy that for $1. Yeah, just to get an idea of how giant that 50 cal is. I mean, look at the mag is literally bigger than my hand. It's huge. We've got some Sten Mark II submachine guns right here. Pretty cool. God, they've got everything. We're just going through the library. There's a Madsen MP46 submachine gun, 9 milli. Look at this. We got Hercules tear gas fountain pen projector. We've got a pen gun pistol right here. I mean, you just can't buy this kind of stuff anymore. How about this one? The burglar alarm and animal trap. I don't know if you hook that to your door, blow someone away that opens it. There's all kinds of crazy stuff in here. More pen guns. Believe it or not, but we just went through all of these drawers, and starting about halfway down this side, we started picking our favorite in each drawer. And we came all the way around. I mean, the long guns are cool, but we're just not into those as much. We didn't see a ton of AK-47s in this place, but there's one of them. So we've been messing around in the Cody Firearms Museum for like 6.5 hours now, but I think we've finally seen everything. Pretty awesome. Man, they got a lot of guns in there. It's like every type of gun you can think of. And we're done with the Cody Firearms Museum. Hope you enjoyed it, and until the next one, y'all, peace.